Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn new English words from A to Z. Each letter has one simple word. Let's say the words together and practice speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. A for apple. The apple is red. B for ball. I can play with a ball. C for cat. The cat is sleeping. D for dog. The dog is running. E for egg. I eat an egg for breakfast. F for fish. The fish swims in the water. G for goat. The goat eats grass. H for hat. I wear a hat. I for ice cream. I love ice cream. J for juice. This is orange juice. K for kite. The kite flies high. L for lion. The lion is big. M for moon. The moon is bright. N for nest. The bird is in the nest. O for orange. The orange is round. P for pig. The pig is pink. Q for queen. She is a queen. R for rain. It is raining. S for Sunday. The sun is hot. T for tiger. The tiger is strong. U for umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain. V for van. The van is fast. W for water. I drink water. X for xylophone. The xylophone makes music. Y for yogurt. Yogurt is yummy. Z for zebra. The zebra has stripes. Well done. You have just learned 26 English words from A to Z. Try to say the words again on your own. Practice a little every day, and you will get better and better. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun English videos. See you next time.